Hi everyone, this is Jainesh Kota here, and as we all know, India is completely locked down because of this coronavirus thing, and we all are home quarantine. So, what are the best things that you can do at this point of time? Maybe learn something new, get engaged into something creative. Okay, so here I am. I am going to teach you all a new language, and the language is French. And if you're planning to learn a new language, you're at the right place, no matter what your age is, no matter if you're good in English or not, and if you're a beginner or if you're not a beginner, okay? The right place is here. So tell me, if we all plan to learn a new language, what are the exact things that we plan to cover? हम कौन सी चीजें कवर करेंगे फ्रेंच कोई भी एक लैंग्वेज पढ़ने के टाइम? ऑब्वियसली मैं ग्रामर पढ़ाऊंगा, मैं कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पढ़ाऊंगा, राइटिंग स्किल्स होने वाले हैं, वोकैबुलरीज होने वाले हैं. दिस आर वेरी कॉमन पार्ट दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड व्हाइल लर्निंग अ न्यू लैंग्वेज. बट इज इट सो? क्या बस इतना ही पढ़ना है? नहीं. ओके, देयर आर मेनी अदर थिंग्स दैट यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न. सो व्हेन यू लर्न अ लैंग्वेज, यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न द एग्जैक्ट एंटायर थिंग in and out of the language. So French, I know that France is a country which is the origin of the language French. So all that we are going to cover is the entire history of the country France, the sociology part, the geographical part, artistic part, cultural part, everything that is related and is surrounded by France. We're going to make sure that we're going to learn all those particular things. Okay? So what do we know about France? What do we know about France? That Paris is the capital of France. France is an European country. Monsieur Emmanuel Macron is the president of France. So you have to remember that. Monsieur Emmanuel Macron. मुझे बताओ स्टूडेंट्स कि जो इंडिया का कल्चर है और जो फ्रांस का कल्चर है, क्या दोनों सेम है? क्या हम फ्रेंच लोगों की तरह ही जीते हैं या उनसे थोड़े से अलग है? आई गेस ऑफ कोर्स थोड़े से तो अलग है. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस. फर्स्ट, अगर मुझे हाय बोलना है तो ऑब्वियसली हिंदी में मैं आपको नमस्ते बोलूंगा. बट इन फ्रांस दे गिव किसेस ऑन द चिक्स एंड दे से बोंजूर और साल्यू. सो दिस व्हाट यू गोइंग टू से. ओके, बोंजूर, साल्यू. व्हाट एल्स? यू नो, एट एज ऑफ 18 to 20 years old, people they leave their parents' place and they live in some different rented apartment. इमेजिन मैं ऐसा कुछ इंडिया में करूंगा तो 18-20 साल का हो गया, मम्मी को बोलूंगा मम्मी बस आज मेरा लास्ट दिन है, आज मैं निकल रहा हूं घर से, आप देख लेना अपना. कैन यू इमेजिन दिस हैपनिंग इन इंडिया एनी टाइम? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. यू नो, फ्रांस इज वेरी फेमस फॉर लिव इन रिलेशन. पीपल आर लाइक, इट्स वेरी कॉमन ओवर देयर. बट इमेजिन इंडिया में अगर ऐसा होगा, आज मैं मम्मी को जाके बोलूं मम्मी आज से घर पे एक नई लड़की रहने आने वाली है, मेरी माँ मुझे एक थप्पड़ देगी और मुझे घर से निकाल देगी. Obviously it can't happen over here. What else? You know, they are hardcore non-vegetarians, but which is not so in India. Which is not so in India. Me, precisely, I'm a Jain, so I can't even imagine being like them. You know what they do when they sit down for eating meal? They take a jug of beer, पूरा जग भर के बियर रखते साइड में और पीते रहते हैं. They don't drink water. What a waste. You know, France is usually a country where almost most of the time it's winter. मतलब ठंडी होती है. मतलब obviously it's not always winter season, but ठंडी होती है. So what they prefer is they prefer drinking beer. Imagine यहाँ पर अगर ऐसा मैं मम्मी को बोलूं मम्मी मुझे प्लीज एक ग्लास बियर लाके दो, फन करके वहां से एक पड़ेगी साहब. Okay, can't imagine things like happening in France over here. Obviously we prefer wearing traditional clothes usually, but in France they don't have traditional clothes. Imagine what kind of clothes that they wear. Wow. Okay, obviously they prefer wearing western clothes. You know what are the more other cultural differences? Marriage is one thing which is very common in India. At the age of 20 years old also I've seen my friends getting married. Okay, which is not so over there. At least till the age of 30 years वो लोग सोचते भी नहीं शादी करने का. उसके बाद शायद वो लोग प्लान करते सेटल होने का. Okay, but in India marriages are like sumptuous, elegant, outstanding, amazing. Okay, so many functions and so many western clothes and so much of kharcha, which is not very popular in France. Okay, so आपने देखा है कि फ्रांस और इंडिया में बहुत सारे differences हैं, and this is what we are going to study all about the language French and how exactly do they live in France and how do we live in France. We'll also see the differences. Okay, so here we start with the language, and what we are going to cover today in this particular video is the alphabets. मैं आप लोगों को अल्फाबेट्स पढ़ाने वाला हूं सारे के सारे. ओके, So yeah, let's start with the alphabets. I'll just switch on the projector. Yes. So what I have done is I have also written the Hindi pronunciation over there, but in French, all the 26 letters are similar to English. There is no difference in them. Okay, obviously, but while learning the language, सारे words अलग होने वाले हैं. Okay, so right now we are going to learn the pronunciation of the alphabets. ले alphabet, that means the alphabets that we are going to study. LES ले, उसका meaning होता है the alphabets. Okay, ले is alphabet. A, B, C, D, O, F, J. देखो G को J बोलते हैं और J को G बोलते हैं. ओके, सो इन फ्रेंच G को J बोलेंगे और J को G बोलेंगे. So as and when I keep doing the pronunciation, if you're watching this video, make sure that you are also doing the pronunciation simultaneously. A, B, C, D, O, F, J, H. If you see Pokemon में वो था ना Ash Ketchum. Okay, Ash, E. अच्छा, तो E को अ बोलते हैं और I को E बोलते हैं. E को अ बोलते हैं और I को E बोलते हैं. So H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O. L, M, N, O. सब सिमिलर है. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So look, V मतलब एक V होता है और W के अंदर दो V होते हैं, इसलिए that is W. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So I'll just start again. A, B, C, D, O, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's sing it once. A, B, C, D, O, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, O, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so now we're going to start with the alphabets. A for An, B for Bébé, C for Coca, D for Didon, O for Elephant, F for Fromage, G for Giraffe, H for Hibou, E for Igloo, J for Jaguar, K for Kangaroo, L for Lion, M for Miel, N for Nid, O for Oiseau, P for Paraquet, Q for Q, R for Rose, S for Cinch, T for Tigre, U for Uniform, V for Vache, W for Wagon, X for Xylophone, Y Yosh, and last Zebra. Okay, so how can you say it? An, Bébé, Coca, Didon, Elephant, Fromage, Giraffe, Hibou, Igloo, Jaguar, Kangaroo, Lion, Miel, Nid, Oiseau, Paraquet, Q, Rose, Cinch, Tigre, Uniform, Vache, Wagon, Xylophone, Yosh, Zebra. So yes students, this is what you have to learn properly, the entire alphabets. A, B, C, D, O, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? A for An, B for baby, C for coca, D for didon, E for elephant, F for fromage, G for giraffe, H for hibou, I for igloo, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for miel, N for need, O for oiseau, P for paraquet, Q for Q, R for rose, S for singe, T for tigre, U for uniform, V for vache, W for wagon, U, V, W, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, and Z for zebra. So all the English translation was also written on the board. So what you have to do right now, you have to learn the pronunciation of the alphabets nicely, keep repeating it again and again. The vocabularies were given to you all. You have to learn the vocabularies as well as the English translation, and in the next video we will be learning something new. Okay, so thank you so much. This is it for this video. Thank you.